So here's how you can sign up for Aliexpress affiliate program. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head on to the search box and type Aliexpress affiliate programs, and now we will click on the second link. If you have created an account, then sign in, otherwise create an account. After that, we will see below and click on the Join Now option. Then we will create the affiliate account. After that, we have to give some basic information here. First of all, here we will give our email. After that, we will give you the verification code, which will be on our Gmail. Then here we will give our phone number. After that, we will give the information on the social media platform. Then he will ask you 2 questions and you have to answer them. After that, we will tick down and click on the next option. Then it will ask you about the promotional attributes. You have to tell him. After that, you have to give your site name and URL. Then we will select the category and select the traffic source area. After that, we will write the descriptions and click on the submit option. In the same way, we can sign up for our Aliexpress affiliate account.